Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will get the current day of the week using vb.net or visualbasic.net. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. One of the great functionalities of vb.net compared with other programming language, because it has so many built-in function. One of the built-in function of vb.net or visualbasic.net is to get the current day of the week. So in this program, I declare days of the week as integer days of the week. Now the current day of the week using select case statement, days of the week. Case 1, today is Sunday. Case 2, case 2 will be today is Monday. Case 3, today is Tuesday. Case 4, today is Wednesday. Case 5, today is Thursday. Case 6, today is Friday. And case 7, today is Saturday. And console read key. So when we run our program, today is Wednesday. It is based on the system, no, of your computer, or based it on the date, no, that is being selected in Windows. So that's it, no. We were able to create, no, how to get the current date of the week using vb.net or visualbasic.net. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.